she will turn. She has a thing on the lens. You gotta get that off. Lens protector or whatever. It's not even on there straight. Like, what good is that doing when it's not even on there straight? Which one's the top? Which one's the bottom? I'm gonna assume that's the top. Okay, so I don't know. And then what kind of plugs we got here in the back? We got USB, HDMI, there's a power button, and then I'm gonna assume it's a DC plug in there. So, has an HDMI cable with it. Has an HDMI cable with it. Nice, nice, nice. Alright. It's at least one thing. Remote control. Okay. I wasn't aware it was going to come with one of those. Huh. Alright, I mean, it's cool. And your DC power adapter. So that is what that is going to be. I'm going to go in. All there. And then you plug that into the wall. Then you can use the USB or the HDMI for your video in. I wonder if I can put a USB stick on it though. So right up here is your focus wheel. I rotate that back and forth to bring the image into focus. Here's your power on button or power off button if you can. And then of course you got your HDMI and your USB. And of course she does rotate, and she will automatically correct up to 45-degree angle for that little weird misshaped stuff. It's supposed to automatically correct that to be a square. I don't know. We'll see how that works. You should not submerge your remote control in water. Very clearly says it right here. I don't know why you would want to, but if that's you, okay. It's probably not going to work after you do it though. It'll play MPEG 1, MPEG 2, MPEG 4, RM. I'm not sure what RM is. AVI, WMV, VC1, H.264 and H.265, which is usually the codecs I use, is the H.265. But I do save it as a MP4, not a MOV, or an MKV. I got some software that does an MKV. I like to do the MP4 though. Pictures, it'll do JPEG, PNG, BMP, and audios, it'll do MP3, M4A. Not sure what that is. No clue what that one is. AAC, WMA. I know what that one is. Just skip to that one. All right, so we can go. It can download Netflix and YouTube. I didn't realize it had disk space on it. That was not one of the things that it showed. I don't see a spot for a card. I don't know. It says it can download stuff. YouTube. So we'll see. We'll see. Bluetooth settings. So you can do touch Bluetooth speakers. Connect to the network, the internet. Android wireless mirroring. Okay. I don't really want to do that. AirPlay mirroring. I really don't want to do that either. Alright, so this little projector, pretty cool, right?
plug in to the wall. You have the USB port here where you can plug in a USB stick that has video on it. It'll find it and play it. I turned it on. I don't know how. HDMI cable port. Cool. It's always nice to have. Hook your laptop to it. Hook your. It has to be an HDMI out. So if your TV has an HDMI out, I don't think mine do. I don't think any of mine do. And of course the power button, hold that in for a couple seconds and it turns on. Alright. I did not grab the remote. But you'll see on the wall there behind me. Okay, it's stabilizing. So you move it a little bit and it's got to stabilize, right? It says there's a USB found. Hit OK. I can go in there and hit play. It's cool. It's cool. Probably not a good idea to reflect it off your face. I'm just saying. You're not gonna be able to see much, and of course with the wall there, all kinds of lights in front of me here. But if I turn it off a little bit, you can see it a little bit better on the wall. There's a whole bunch of lights in front of me though, so it's not really going to be very easy to see with the lights on. Now, what we're using this for, and it does have apps on it, so I mean it's cool. It's cool. It really is pretty cool. Alright, so she's plugged in. We're going to go ahead and turn her on here. Oh, I'm going to need the remote too. Alright, so. Yep, okay. So she's on. Oh, I guess that's why you focus it. Because there is something there. Oh. Get a nice sharp image there. Nice. Okay. And looks pretty sharp right there where it's at. What do you think so far? You think so far it looks okay. Now I need the remote.
Whoa. No way.
Yahweh.
Can I touch it?
Yeah.
Hey. Oh my gosh. That's like a real TV. I want that in my room.
Okay, so I mean, she already has YouTube installed on her, and Disney Plus and stuff. So we can go. I don't know, all this stuff: screencast, file manager, HDMI settings, blah blah blah. Let's go to YouTube's. Please connect to a network. Oh, of course. Why would I think we didn't have to do that? Okay, network settings. Wireless. Switch to Wi-Fi. Or Wi-Fi switch, okay. Add network. Okay, so it says we're connected, finally, after several minutes of waiting. Although I think the screen just got stuck on connecting. But you can see up there the upper left hand, upper right hand. Wait, right hand, upper right hand. Oh, we have to install it first. Oh, that sucks. Alright, so YouTube's now installed. Alright, launch. Hell yeah, let's launch it, baby. Oh, wow. Okay. Would you stay as a guest for now? Oh, well, okay. I guess you just watch as guest. It's fine. We don't need to be perfect on this, right? Let's go ahead and search for. We'll search for me. I don't even know if we're gonna be able to find it. Hey, we found this. All right. Here, let's center the camera a little bit closer on it here. A little bit straighter into it. Oh. Wow, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Nice little projection onto the wall there. That's not what I wanted to watch though, right? Oh well, it started playing. I'm not sure why. But let's see what the sound sounds like. Oh yes, first thing you have to do is get some coffee.
The cat wants to play with it. It's okay.
Unbox everything. Get all laid out. Start putting it down.
It's not overly loud. But I think she's gonna work for what we want her to do.
Oh my gosh.